नहीं मतलब मुझे ये नहीं लगता है कि वो डम है मुझे
Of course.
मुझे
Can I answer that? So I don't really compare it by any industry standards. I have been very happy playing the character I've been playing.
और वो जब लॉन्च किया एपिसोड तब से ट्रैक्शन आ रहा है और वो हैंग हो गया लाइक व्हेन women ask
Yeah.
what are you thinking about
Yeah.
and I'm thinking about
Nothing.
why is he hung a cloth on that stand, it is not making any sense. That's what I've been thinking about.
In a world where OTT platforms are giving us variety of contents on a daily basis, बहुत ही कम शोज ऐसे होते हैं जो लगता है यार लाइफ में परमानेंटली हमारे साथ चलते रहे एंड वेल देयर इज नो लाई कि परमानेंट रूममेट इज वन ऑफ देम एंड टुडे आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई एम सिटिंग विद द इनक्रेडिबल कास्ट एंड द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द शो and we'll have some super fun conversation with them. So welcome you guys on OTT Play Showreel.
Thank
How are you
so
doing?
much. Thank you.
So after the successful 2 seasons of the show, first of all congratulations क्योंकि बहुत कम shows होते हैं जो 3rd season तक चले जाते हैं with the same amount of excitement, anticipation and even more I think. And I remember when I started watching this show, I was a radio jockey student and watching TVF shows was one of the assignments we used to get. And I cannot believe that I'm sitting with you guys today and having this conversation. So I am like super thrilled for this for sure. And how excited are you guys?
Very, very excited about
Very
it.
excited.
You may not sound because we've had a long day, but just believe us that there is a
course.
lot of excitement brewing inside.
I think it's excitement, anticipation, nervousness. It's all like there's a lot of hope, and so yeah, we put a lot of heart in it. So
Of course.
Yes.
Also, when we talk about web shows, I think you guys are the OG web show creators of the who has bought OTT shows on in India. So in a way, you have brought all the audience to the OTT platforms, and now a lot of people believe that instead of theaters, you just sit with your family or with your loved ones at home and you just watch the show. But then, does this also put you in a lot of pressure? That you have to deliver something very good because you have got a lot of fan following.
I mean, one must take this pressure in a very positive way, because then the intent behind making the story is always that we have to think of a newer story, a more relevant story,
Yeah.
the kind of story that people would be interested in, rather than just falling into a trap where let's try a formula like let's do something funny or let's do something serious or let's do some drama. So the intent behind making the show has to be to tell a good story,
Yeah.
Like
which is always a good pressure. Yeah.
Generally, that should be the intent.
Yeah.
Ideally, not because you're feeling the pressure or there's a lot like hangs on it. Of course, we are aware of that.
Yeah.
But that is I think a fortunate thing. वो अच्छी बात है.
Of
So it's
course.
not like
पॉजिटिव वे में लेना
yeah,
चाहिए
you have to put your
Shreyash, also you are taking ahead a show जिसके 2 seasons actually बहुत ज़्यादा successful है. तो आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था? Like was there any pressure? And I have heard you saying this that you have been a fan of Permanent Roommates
Yeah.
earlier. So how did the process come along?
I think so we were waiting for a very long time to get the right conflict for the story.
Okay.
Because अगर आप परमानेंट रूममेट्स की बात करोगे और स्पेशली मिकेश तान्या जिस तरीके से हमें स्क्रीन पे दिखते हैं,
Yeah.
they are the couple who have always represented urban problems.
True.
From finding a house to live in together,
Yeah.
to getting married their own way,
Yeah.
by convincing their parents, and also getting pregnant before they got married. So I think
and then not getting married.
and then not getting married.
Yeah.
So I think वो हमेशा से they have represented the urban problem, the a progressive
and not getting
society.
married and still staying together. That's
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
all.
So I think काफी tough था. That is why हमने ये call लिया कि यार सबसे पहले तो जो ये couple है,
Yeah.
they should always remain permanent roommates. They should not get married, and they basically live together because they love each other and they have that trust. So I think with that honest feeling we approached the season और फिर करते गए तो hopefully सब कुछ ठीक होता चला गया.
और अब तक हो रहा है. Also, Sumit, what is the problem with women? be it Veeredi wedding, be it tripling, be it permanent roommates, why are you always irritating the women? But they are also ending up being with you,
हाँ.
except for the tripling.
Yeah.
But otherwise,
That's what-
Why
क्या
don't they
problem
just
है
get
यार?
it that I'm not irritating them?
You are irritating in a very cute way कि लड़की छोड़ना भी नहीं चाह रही है
हाँ.
क्योंकि बंदा इतना अच्छा है लेकिन इतना irritate कर रहा है यार कि
Basically, Sumit,
सोचे
what
जा
is your
रही है.
problem?
What is my problem? I have no idea. I don't know how to.
What's your issue,
Unless
man?
I identify the problem, I can't resolve it.
No, but on a serious note, when Mickey का जो character आया था, you received a lot of love from the audience and it is a very unique character. Given the fact कि वो कभी-कभी कितनी dumb बातें करता है यार.
हाँ.
तो आपने वो appreciation को कैसे लिया कि यार मैं dumb character का appreciation लूँ या just because मैंने बहुत amazing acting कर ली है तो इसलिए मैं उसका appreciation लूँ?
नहीं मतलब मुझे ये नहीं लगता है कि वो डम है. मुझे
Of course.
Can I answer that?
No, but he's not dumb.
I think-
He's just cute.
No. Sumit he always likes to come across as intense.
intense.
But deep inside, he's
He's
quite
dumb.
no, he's not dumb. But deep inside, he sees things at face value. कि यार वो white क्यों है यार? वो yellow नहीं चाहिए थी. You know, it's simple. He has issues with simple things.
Yeah.
And when he played,
So are you trying to say that he's
and when he
generally
played
like Mickey?
Mikesh, no, when he played Mikesh, it all got validated.
Yeah.
That it is okay for me to watch.
Deep inside, I had strange questions that were answered when I played this character. Like when women ask,
Yeah.
"What are you thinking about?"
Yeah.
And I'm thinking about,
Nothing.
why has he hung a cloth on that stand? It is not making any sense. That's what I've been thinking about
Yeah.
since
Okay.
morning.
Yeah.
So
So you
this
don't
is-
have to
this
be
is your intense
philosophical. You
route.
can say I'm thinking about that.
Yeah.
And Mikesh, if it's cool, then
Yeah.
it's good.
And then some people look for the philosophy in that stand, and good luck to them.
Lovely. Nidhi, talking about permanent roommates, when the season came out, you become a household name like instantly. But later on, आपको उसके parallel का role कभी मिला नहीं है. So do you think that your industry due is still, you're still waiting for your due in the industry?
I think after that, everything that I have played, I have loved. So I don't really compare it by any
Okay.
industry standards. I have been very happy playing the characters I've been playing, and yeah, I'm very happy to revisit Tanya and be in her shoes. But there are lots of other characters also that are very close to me.
Lovely. Shreyansh, what do you think कि OTT प्लेटफॉर्म कितना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस प्ले करता है किसी भी शो के आने के लिए, क्योंकि कंसिडरिंग द फैक्ट दैट परमानेंट रूममेट्स फर्स्ट रिलीज्ड ऑन TVF एंड नाउ दिस इज एन Amazon Prime शो, सो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट डज दैट?
आई थिंक इट प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल बिकॉज फाइनली ऑडियंस कहाँ पर देख रही है वो मैटर करता है. थैंकफुली मुझे अभी भी याद है कि सीज़न 1 हमने यूट्यूब पे रिलीज़ किया था और फिर सीज़न 2 हम यूट्यूब के साथ साथ TVF प्ले पे डाल रहे
Yeah.
थे. उस समय भी कोई OTT प्लेटफॉर्म
ऐप तो थे ही नहीं, TVF वाज द फर्स्ट ऐप वी डाउनलोडेड.
हाँ, उस समय कोई ऐप्स नहीं थे और उस टाइम पर मुझे जैसा याद आता है कि बहुत सारे स्ट्रीमिंग इश्यूज चलते रहते थे, आपको प्ले करके वेट करना पड़ता था.
मुझे अभी भी याद है जिस दिन ऐप लॉन्च हुआ था तो परमानेंट रूममेट सीजन 2 का पहला एपिसोड था, उससे लॉन्च हुआ था. तो अर्नाब ने हमको बोला था कि आप आओ देखो वो लॉन्च हो रहा है. तो हमको ना एक स्क्रीन पर तो खैर वो दिख रहा था ऐप पे रिलीज हो रहा है, एक स्क्रीन पे ना हम अंदर गए तो वो ग्राफ दिखा रहा था कि किस उससे उनको कुछ आइडिया लग रहा था कि कितना ट्रैक्शन आ रहा है.
ओके ओके.
और वो जब लॉन्च किया एपिसोड तब से ट्रैक्शन आ रहा है और वो हैंग हो गया.
ओह,
इट गॉट हंग.
हाँ, ये बहुत
App-
ऐसी बहुत
And
It
that
broke-
happens rarely.
That
It
did
broke
not-
the app. Basically.
Yeah.
wow, it must be so exciting, no?
या
ऑल्सो अच्छा, लास्टली आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क कि इंडस्ट्री में हम लोगों को पता है ना बहुत सारे हैशटैग्स जैसे फेमस है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हैशटैग रालिया, हैशटैग दीपवीर और अनुष्का एंड विराट का. बट आई थिंक यू गाइज आर द OG हैशटैग bringers in the industry, hashtag Tankish,
Yes.
right? So you guys take the credit for that कि आप लोगों ने लाया था ये.
Not really. We haven't thought about it like that.
हाँ,
नाउ व्हेन यू से इट तो सोच सकते
है ना, उस टाइम पे इतना ट्रेंड नहीं था लेकिन
उतना नहीं था
एक्चुअली.
हैशटैग
नहीं.
कहाँ,
हाँ,
अब बहुत
उस
हो
time
गया है.
था.
Yeah.
आई थिंक बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो परमानेंट रूममेट से निकल करके लिटरली
Trend
कल्ट
बन
बनी
गई
है.
है.
हाँ, आई थिंक
Right.
सीजन 1 में जो मिकेश होम वीडियो बनाता है वो आई थिंक दैट इज
Yeah.
समथिंग व्हिच गॉट सो पॉपुलर
True.
कि अब ऑलमोस्ट हर बर्थडे एनिवर्सरी
बन
पे
गया।
यू नो पीपल एवरीबडी इज मेकिंग इट फॉर देयर लव्ड वंस.
True,
So
true.
I think that way is
And the ones who were making it, they also felt so
Yeah,
validated that
yeah.
this is a big thing.
तो आई होप कि इस सीजन में भी ऐसी बहुत सारी कल्ट चीजें
I'm so
निकेश और
sure.
तान्या
I'm
दे
so
सकें
sure.
लोगों को.
Fans are eagerly waiting. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for your time and all the best for the
Thank
third
you.
season.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.